In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your rows and columns here in Google Sheets Mobile. So if you're working on a spreadsheet using the Google Sheets app and you want to resize your columns and your rows, here's how to do it. So the first method would be to select those rows or those columns. We're going to start with our columns at the top. You're just going to tap on that letter. So we have selected column A right here. And if you want to resize this specific column, all you have to do would be to tap and hold until these options appear. Once they do, go to the three dotted line, and here you have your options, and one of them would be to resize your column. Now, this would be amazing if you're going to resize a lot of selected columns. For example, let's select these 4 columns right here. There we have it. Again, tap and hold until these options appear. Go to the 3 dotted line and scroll up until you see resize columns. Once you do that and tap on resize columns, it will give you the options to have fit to data or enter the column within pixels. So the default pixels would be 100, and right now the biggest one would be at 115. So if we want to fit it to data, we can do so. If we select that, there we go, and click on save. There we have it. So all of the columns are now fitted to the length of the text within our cells. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it would be to, again, if you already have everything selected, if we try and resize it this way, there you go. Once you've tapped on this gray icon right here, it will allow you to resize all the selected columns in the same size, which would be the same if we changed it into the same pixels. So let me zoom out again. There we have it. All those columns are the same size. If we tap and hold, and again, these options appear, go to the 3 dotted line, select resize columns, and here we have enter the column within pixels. Right now it's 189. If we change that to, let's say, 150, tap on save, and there we have it. So that's for your columns, and it's about the same procedure with your rows. Our rows here are on the left side. Let us zoom in. There we go. We are going to be selecting just our header right here, which is our row number 1. Tap and hold again. Go to the 3 dotted line and resize row. Once you've selected that, here it has the row heights in pixels, which is the default size of 21. If we change that to, let's say, 30, there I've entered it. I'm going to tap on save. And there you have it. We have our header now slightly bigger than the rest of our rows. If we try and select all of these rows right here and make them uniform, again, you can do it this way. Drag these arrows. And there you go. We have resized all those rows in the same size. Or again, tap and hold. Go to the 3 dotted line. Resize rows, and now we're going to enter the row height in pixels. Let's all make them 30. Tap on save, and there we have it. So that's how quickly you can resize your rows and columns, especially when you have a lot of data selected or a lot of rows and columns selected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.